Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you can hear me. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so today's video is all about this beautiful henna pack that I saw on Fusion of Culture's channel, and oh my goodness, it's just what my hair needs, and I hope it helps you too. Just stay tuned for all the great benefits that are in this yummy, yummy, yummy filled hair mask pack something. Just stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it and how my hair felt after it. Okay, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Alrighty. Yeah, so a little bit about my hair. I've been super lazy and tied up with life. Lately, I have been neglecting my hair. Obviously, it's still growing, but not to the extent that I want it to, if that makes sense. So when I came across this henna pack, I thought, okay, let me just give it a try, strengthen my hair again, and then get it back on this hair growth journey that I'm on. So all I'm doing here is just detangling my hair, or first separating it with my fingers, because that's just what works for me. There's no way I can just tackle this bush with a wide tooth comb. That will be torture. So this is how I start off. I just spray it with a little bit of water before I tackle it. No, before I dump the mud on there. One day this voiceover will go swimmingly well, but for now, this is what's gonna have to do. So the mixture goes on very smoothly. I really liked it. There were no clumps. I kept it overnight. So once I mixed it, I left it overnight so that the Lawson dye that's in the henna can release. And obviously that's what's the most beneficial about henna, really. Some other stuff that henna does is, let me bring my notes. As we all know, henna improves hair growth, it repairs split ends, it reduces hair fall, and it also helps to thicken hair, all the things that I need. It also has bamboo powder in there, this hair mask. Bamboo powder increases hair volume, it makes your hair stronger, it improves hair density, and it also improves blood flow to your scalp. When it comes to neem powder, it conditions your scalp, it reduces dandruff, it promotes hair growth, as well as minimizes grays in your hair. And obviously I'm growing up, guys. I'm going to be 30 this year, so we gotta get rid of the 2 or 3 grey hair that I have chilling in my hair. That's not gonna happen. Yeah. So this mask has Brahmi in there as well, and that also promotes healthy hair growth. It also nourishes roots as well as reduces split ends. I didn't have amla or aretha, so I substituted the amla and the aretha for neem and kapur kashli. With the kapur, it promotes hair growth. Why did that sound like cowpaw? So sorry, guys. So sorry. So it promotes hair growth. It's a great cleanser, of course, and it strengthens your hair and makes it super shiny. For added benefits, Layla added 1 egg as well as her oil blend. So that's pretty much what I did. I've got a video of my hair growth oil that I can link up in the cards. I just put a couple of, probably a teaspoon into the mixture, and obviously 1 egg. That's all I did. Yeah, so let's go on to the pros and the cons. I found it very easy to wash out, so that's always good. Because if you know about clay washes and stuff, they tend to get stuck in your hair and gets super messy. No, but I found that this was quite easy to wash out, so that was always good. It made my hair feel quite soft and manageable, yet very strong at the same time. That's also great because that's what I was looking for. My hair was super clean, but it did not feel stripped, so I was happy about that. The smell wasn't too bad either, so that's okay as well because I tend to sneeze quite a bit if the powders and it gets too overpowering. I don't know, I don't like it, but this was quite pleasant, so that's good. And it wasn't too messy to handle considering I was videoing and I didn't have newspapers on the floor, so yeah, not too bad at all. In terms of the cons, it kind of dyed my fingertips, obviously because the Lawson dye had released from the henna, so it dyed my fingertips, which I'm okay with. It faded after a couple of days, so that's okay. So just bear that in mind. And also it might stain your clothes, so I was wearing my PJs here. Obviously I had a couple of stains in there, but hey, ain't nobody gonna see it, so it's all good. Yeah, so just dress appropriately, and of course the pros outweigh the cons, so I'm okay to do this mixture, maybe not mixture, this treatment maybe once every 4 to 6 weeks maybe. Yeah, I think I'll give it a try again. So yeah, that is about it about this treatment. I plan to do more of these because I've seen some really great treatments on YouTube. So let me know if you're up for that. If you like, yeah. What I'm showing here is just the egg snot. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. Oh, I've been out of the game for so long, guys. Please forgive me. I'm sure my voiceover will be great in the very near future. I'm probably annoying someone, but hey, it's all good. You get over it. Alright, I'm gonna shut up and you can enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, love you all. Bye bye. Take care and God bless. Bye.
You're the one I want to hold before my liver start to fail. You're the one I need, oh, before cassava start to hate. And if I ever leave, oh, make what I gotta be to go far away, far away. Say I am looking for a sister, your mama lover. She get the dollar, she dealt with the sun. Say I am looking for a sister, your mama lover. She get the dollar. She say give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Say biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy. Baby, you want me? No. Hey.
hours later.
Love is sweet, oh. When money enter, love is sweet. That paradise, oh, yeah. So brother man go got the liver. Call a little. Tell her make she come to go far away. Far away, yeah. Say I am looking for a sister. Chuma, my lover. She enter Atlanta. She go cause disaster. Say I am looking for a sister. Show my lover. Yeah, yeah. She say give me assurance. Assurance. I give my baby assurance. I give my baby assurance. Give me assurance. Assurance. Give my baby assurance. Give my baby assurance.